You see the swans? They're right there. Just that they're not in water anymore. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a vlog. We're just taking an evening walk here, so I'm just going to show you how is NEHU like. See, it's very good with the sunset and the view. See the flowers and the pine trees and many things around the flowers. This is the administrative building. It has so many apartments, so I don't know which one. It's a busy road. See this big tree. I don't know which tree is it. It's very fresh. This is my first time taking an evening walk in NEHU. I have never been to NEHU at evening, so this is my first time. You see that bus is going? It's NEHU's bus. There's so many solar panels. I love the weather today. It's very good, but it was too sunny on the afternoon. We should thank God that He made this beautiful nature. We still have trees around. See the lake. You see the swans? They're right there. Just that they're not in water anymore. There are many fishes in this pond, but then we can't see it right now. I just love this pond. I hope I don't fall off the water. It's so clear, but then, it's dirty. This is another part of the lake near the science center. We can see the reflection in the pond, the clouds. So good. It's very silent and quiet here. I just love it because I find peace walking here. It's very perfect for an evening walk or a morning walk or anything. It's the best. But just that the disturbance and the sounds of the vehicles is making it, noisy. So we will end this vlog today. Thank you for watching it. Bye.